Hello everyone and welcome to this month's Sephora Play Unboxing! Woohoo! Super excited as always. I love doing these videos for you guys. They're always, I feel like, at least the past few, I've been like ultra casual while doing them, but like at the same time, I guess I just don't care. I like being cozy when I unbox things because that's how I would normally do it. Does that? I don't know. It really doesn't make a difference. But here we have my Sephora Play box. If you are new to these videos or anything, I'm gonna start cracking on into this. But basically Sephora Play is Sephora's monthly beauty subscription box. So they send you, technically it is 6 samples in each box. 5 of them are deluxe beauty samples. So it could be skincare, it could be hair care, it could be makeup. You never really know. And then the 6th sample is just a perfume sample, so it's like an extra. Hee! I see kitties! I see kitties! That makes me happy! Little kitties right there. My camera just cut me off. I have no idea where it cut me off, but I think I was just saying that it's 10 bucks a month for these Sephora Play boxes and then whatever tax your state charges. So, here we go, first box of 2018. I'm excited to see what they have in store for us. Each box is like themed kind of. Sometimes I feel like they do a good job with the theme and sometimes I'm like, you're pulling at strings here. But in each box you do get one of these play passes, and basically what these do is that if you bring them in stores, some people claim that you don't have to make a purchase. I've always thought that you had to, because on here it says that you have to make a purchase, but some people say that you don't have to. I've never tried not purchasing something, but basically if you go into a Sephora, you can give this to the person at the cash register and then they will scan it in and you will get 50 extra beauty insider points added to your account. And then the pamphlet we'll look at later. It tells us all the products that are inside and I don't want to spoil it for myself. Oh, cute! Oh, I like this one, yay! Sephora tends to have a really good pun game, and right here they're started off strong. It's Happy You Year! Oh, it's so cute! I love that, and I love this bright, like robin's egg blue color. Very nice. So let's go on in here. I like to try and find the perfume sample first because that's always my least favorite. I don't know that I feel a perfume sample. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find a perfume sample. Okay, so I'm gonna go for this squeezy packet because I feel like they did that one month. Yeah, and I was like not pleased. They did like a shampoo and conditioner packet as the extra for the month, which like these types of things, it's like really, I paid for this? Okay, but I think this is the extra, going based off of the one time they did that before. I'm trying to remember. I think it was with like an IGK shampoo and conditioner, but this is the Alterna Hair Care Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo and Moisture Conditioner. Nourish and restore dry hair. I mean, that is my hair, so I mean, that's great. It's at least targeted towards me. I just really rarely ever use these things, so to me this is kind of like a throwaway type thing, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that that's just the extra sample for the month, because let's see, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, because it feels like there's 5 other samples in here, so I think that was the extra. So I'm gonna go for this cardboard thing. We have got, oh no! I mean, it's okay, don't worry you guys, but I've got a deluxe sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Primer plus moisturizer in one. I only say oh no because Smashbox actually sent me this product to test out. If I hadn't gotten that though, this would be really exciting. It looks like a nice size sample for a primer and everything. I'll probably, when I review that Smashbox Primerizer, I'll probably just throw this in at the end of the video and do a little giveaway here. I mean, why not? It would make sense anyways, but so, like I said, I'm not excited about that sample, but that I would be otherwise if I didn't already have that product. So, next up, I'm gonna go for this cardboard box here. Oh, this is fresh, isn't it? Oh, I was excited and then not as excited, but we'll see. We'll see. This is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner infused with soothing rose water. Hydrates and refreshed. I love Fresh. I really do. I thought this would be a lip product because wishful thinking, but that's okay. I know this is stupid, but like I love the box. I love the patterning on it that a lot of Fresh products have. I just love the way they market. I think it's all really, really pretty. And then the actual toner, I mean, this is a nice sized toner sample and I can definitely give this a try. I'm not a big fan of rose scents. I know I'm in the minority there. I just have never really cared for roses and the smell of roses. I don't know why, but either way, I can still give this a try. Not super excited, but not like super bummed or anything either. So next up we have got 2 squeezy tubes or a tubey tube. Let's go for the bigger squeezy tube. Yeah, let's see. All right, something from Glam Glow. This is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I mean, that sounds interesting, you know, and lots of people really love Glam Glow, and it looks like you would be able to get maybe 3 or 4 tries out of this. With skincare, I'm always a little apprehensive to be excited because I do have such sensitive skin, and the stuff that I have and that I already use, it's like, that's my holy grail. It works great for me. And so I really don't stray from those products very much, but you know, maybe we'll see. We'll see on that one. So next up, I'm gonna go for the other squeezy tube, the small squeezy tube. We've gotten this before. And I feel like this is smaller than we got before. I mean, I don't know that you guys are going to be able to see, but I can see through the sunlight and everything. This is only filled to about here. Now, granted, I actually do really like this eye cream. This is the Clinique Pep Start eye cream. I know it's stupid, but like I really like the color of it, like this nice clementine tangerine orange. It's just nice in the morning to perk you up. I don't know, it's a nice color to see and everything. And the actual cream itself is really nice. It does feel very nice underneath the eyes, but like I said, we have gotten this before and I'm pretty sure we got it in a much nicer sized sample. So that's a little disappointing, but at the same time, I love a good eye cream. So like, I'm not super disappointed because this one is actually a good one. And then last but not least, we've got a skinny tubey tube here. Is it a mascara? Oh, it's a mascara base. So this is the Lancome Cils Booster XL Base de Mascara, super enhancing mascara base. I actually feel like I've heard really good things about this stuff. I am actually excited to test this out. I mean, I'm not like super excited because I really don't use mascara bases. I just layer mascara, but you know, it'll be a good thing to try in any case. Because like I said, I feel like I have heard good things about this. So overall, you guys, honestly, I'm not happy with this box. It's mostly skincare for the most part. I just wish, and I mean, I kind of, Fig's causing a ruckus. He's like, yeah, you tell him, Mom. But basically, I've kind of noticed this in most Sephora boxes. It's like, I feel like they kind of go towards skincare more, but I wish they would give out more makeup samples. And I feel like every now and then they do, and then I get really excited. But then it's like a month like this, and I'm like, So for me, was this box worth it? No. The only things that I'm like really excited for are this mascara booster thing and the Clinique Pep Start, but even then, I'm not like super excited about either of these. I would be excited about the primerizer though, and like I said, the other stuff is still like really good and like nice size samples and everything, but I just wish there was more makeup. So let's see what Sephora has to say. Here's to a beautiful 2018. I know I'm trying so far anyways. So it looks like for each month they gave, you know, try this. In January, they say drink more water. In February, take care of your lips. March, eat more greens, etc., etc. That's kind of cool. This would be kind of cute to just hang on the wall and everything. And then on the back it says, Happy New Year! When resolutions look this good, they're easy to keep. Kick off 2018 with a new beauty routine that puts hydration first. Okay, so that makes sense. I see the theme, Sephora. I see you. That makes a lot more sense tying these products together. So for the Lancome mascara, we have Lush Lashes. For the Glam Glow, we have At Home with Foam. Ha! For the Smashbox, we've got You Duo You. Oh, and I like this, the Clinique, A Pep in Your Prep. For the toner, it's Strike a Rose. And then the Alterna Hair Care is A Smooth Move. So, pun game was okay this month. I feel like they've kind of been going more into like alliterations and that sort of a thing with their product puns. And I know that's really not that exciting or anything, but I love a good pun, so it's something I look forward to each month. It's the small things, you guys. But okay puns, okay products. I'm just kind of okay with this box. I'm not super excited about it, and it's not really a super exciting way to kick off 2018 for Sephora Play, but you know, it is what it is. This is beggars can't be choosers, basically, and that is part of going into a mystery subscription box, is you don't know what you're gonna be getting. So overall, I just hope you guys enjoyed seeing what products that I and maybe some other people got this month. Please do let me know. I always love hearing from you guys because Sephora does send different products to different people. They say it's based on your beauty profile online. Some people say absolutely it's not, but I love hearing what products you all got in your boxes down below in the comments. So please let me know if you got the same things as me or different things from me. It's always really interesting to read about, and I just love hearing from you guys. So if you did enjoy this video, please do go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content from me in the future. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!